Today, I am going to be talking about how to recover your lost style because, as I just mentioned, we've lost a lot in the pandemic, and a lot of women have lost their style. It has been really confusing for many of us on what to wear. At the beginning of the pandemic, people were maybe feeling a little bit liberated and they're thinking, oh, finally, I can just live in my PJs all day, right? And or if you were actually with me, which Sarah, I know you were, if you were with me back at the beginning of the pandemic, we were actually doing our closet shopping back then. So the people in this group, if you were here at the beginning, then I know you were very aware of how you were looking. But for many people, they got really excited and they thought, oh, finally, I don't have to bother getting dressed anymore. So they started wearing their PJs. And then what happened was it got a little bit old, right? People started to feel a little bit tired of wearing their sweatpants and their PJs all day. And in fact, I just saw an article, it was yesterday, and it was in the Wall Street Journal. It was online, and it was called Goodbye Tie-Dye Sweatpants, right? Dressy clothes are making a comeback, right? So and basically, it's saying that at first it was a novelty to not have to really think about what you wear, but now it's just gotten depressing. And, for me, I've always had a very casual and comfortable style, right? So, and like as I mentioned, those of us who have been in closet shopping collectives since back then, we have been paying attention to what we've been wearing back then. But for many people, they sort of got lost. They got confused. It's a very confusing time. And I will say that for me, yes, my style has changed. I am not wearing as many blazers as I used to wear a year ago. So that's an interesting thing or an interesting way to look at it, as you can look at what were you wearing a year ago, because that's what I want to talk about today. I want to talk about getting back to that style that you loved that you were wearing a year ago. Okay. So, as I was saying, for me, my style has always been kind of comfortable and casual. So, it hasn't been a huge change. I've also been keeping up with what I wear because I understand that it makes a difference in the way I show up. And also, for me, it's also really fun to put together my outfits. So, that's for my everyday workwear. Now, for my workout wear, it's totally a different story. Okay. So, what I've experienced and what I have realized, I just realized this with my workout wear, is that I did that thing where at first it was like, oh, I don't have to think about this anymore. Right. And then now, 9 months later, I like looked at what I've been wearing and I'm like, enough already. Okay. I'm done. Because here's the thing, I actually love wearing really bright, printed, fun workout wear, right? So I used to go to studios in person, and like everyone else, since March, my workout has gone online. Okay. So just the other day, I was getting ready. I do my workouts in the morning and I go in my drawer and I'm about to pull out my usual kind of, well, to be honest, what I've been wearing for the past 9 months is pretty ratty. So I have all these old leggings and I just kind of chop them up, and they're actually a little bit uneven. I'm going to show you what they look like. It's a little bit embarrassing for me, but I'm going to show you just so that you know, if you're wearing some kind of sloppy stuff, that you're not alone, that I'm doing it too. And these are the leggings that I cut, and I just started wearing basically things like this every day with my workout. And to be honest, I would just wear my pajama top. I sleep in like a tank top. So I grabbed these ratty shorts that are completely uneven and I would just put them on because I'm not working out in the studios anymore. I'm working out in my bedroom. I'm like scrunched in this tiny space between my closet and the bed, and nobody is in there. Okay. So I'm by myself. I'm not seeing anyone. I would never wear those gray cut off shorts if I was going somewhere. Okay. So just the other day, I was going to reach them. And then I started seeing some of my nicer workout pants. Like, I actually love wearing really fun, bright colored workout things. I have a bunch of them in my drawer, and I don't know if you know this about me, but I used to be a yoga teacher way back in the day. So I actually have a lot of workout wear, and I really love putting on really fun, bright pattern things. And I just completely stopped doing that because I got confused, right? The pandemic just completely confused me. It's like, what am I doing now? I'm working out between my bed and the closet, and I'm wearing these uneven leggings. I just didn't really know what was going on anymore, but I changed all that because I just got sick of it. I said, I have all these really nice workout pants. I like wearing good workout clothes. I have them. I'm going to start wearing them again. Okay. So that's what I wanted to share with you, because while my everyday work wear hasn't changed so much, I mean, okay, to be honest, I'm wearing shorts right now with this outfit, but my workout wear has totally changed. So it's about reconnecting to your old style, right? The style that maybe you had a year ago or maybe even 10 months ago. And I'm going to share 3 steps for how you can do that right now. Okay. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to get reacquainted with your nice things. All right. So just like the way I saw my old workout clothes in the drawer, and I'm thinking, oh yeah, I have these. These are really nice. I like wearing nice things. Okay. So for you, I encourage you to go take a little trip, go visit your closet, go look at all those things that you haven't been wearing, okay, and put them on. So that's what I did today. I decided that today I was going to put on my blazer, right? I haven't worn this blazer in a really long time. And as I mentioned, I am wearing it with shorts, right? So it is an outfit that still feels comfortable and like me, but I put on this blazer. It's really important that when I wear blazers, I need to push the sleeves up. And I think I was struggling a little bit to get these sleeves up, but I finally figured it out. So for you, what I'm saying is go back into your closet, go find the things that you haven't been wearing that you used to love wearing, and then put them on. Okay. So maybe you don't wear it all day. Okay. I don't know that I'm going to keep this blazer on for the rest of the day, but just put it on for an hour, put it on for your Zoom call, put it on if you're going to go run some errands, right? So maybe yours are a nice pair of shoes. All right. Even wear the shoes, even if you're on the Zoom call, because this is about reconnecting to those pieces that you love, right? We're going to recover your lost style. And the first thing you want to do is you want to get those things out and you want to start putting them on. Okay. So that's the first thing you want to do, is go dig up some of your old favorites. Okay. The next thing that you want to do is you want to bring in new things that you love. Okay. I love shopping. Okay. And it was when the pandemic first hit and all the stores were closed, that was very difficult for me because I love shopping and it just wasn't an option. Okay. For me, it's just really relaxing. It's fun. I love to see what I can come up with. And I also love to find really nice things that I want to wear. All right. So here's what I'm suggesting you do. Think of something that will make you feel really happy, right? Something that's your style, but something that'll make you feel really happy. Because what I did, and I just went shopping last weekend, actually, my friend and I, we met at my favorite store, and I bought this bright top. I wanted colorful tops. That's what I felt like I was missing. And I'm like, I'm going to go find myself some colorful tops. Those are going to make me feel really happy. And I want them to really remind me of my style. Okay. That's what you want to do. You want to remind yourself of who you were when you were loving your style. So this is what I found. And it's funny because it's kind of red. I thought I bought an orange shirt, but it's kind of red and it's very wrinkled right now because I pulled it out of the hamper because I wore it immediately. That's always a good sign. When you buy something and you want to put it on the next day, you did really well. So I did that and I got this top. And then I wore it, so I pulled it out of the hamper, but I wanted to show you because this shirt makes me happy. It's a really bright, what I thought was orange, but it's actually kind of red. I am loving it and it's making me happy. Another thing that I got recently, and this was actually my friend actually gave these to me, my friend who I saw the other day, and this is a really fun thing for you to buy because these make me really happy, and they're fun socks. All right. Having fun socks is, yeah, nobody's going to see them, but they're going to make you happy. I promise. When I wear my fun socks, I definitely am in a better mood. All right. So that's the second thing you want to do is think about, what do you want that's going to make you feel really happy? What's missing right now from your wardrobe? You don't have to do a whole shopping spree. You can. I think I bought 4 tops the other day, but you can buy whatever you want, but just buy something that's going to represent your style and it's going to work for today. Okay. Because that's going to give you something else to wear. All right. And then the third thing that you want to do to recover your lost style is you want to reconnect to what matters most, okay? If you are here and you are watching this video right now, then that tells me that you do care about your style and you do care about what you wear, okay? So I understand things have gotten really confusing. People aren't really sure about what to wear or, you know, what the appropriate settings are. Things have gotten a lot more casual, but I want you to just check in with your values and what matters to you, okay? And like I said, if you're watching a styling tutorial, that's giving me an indication that you care about your style and what you wear, okay? So I understand that things have completely changed, all right? We are in a whole new place than we were before, and it took me 9 months to get back into my nice workout clothes, all right? It took me 9 months. I've been wearing those uneven shorts. I have a whole bunch of them, all right? It took me 9 months to do that, all right? So it's fine. Take your time to get there, but you really wanna be in touch with what matters to you. And if you value your appearance and what you wear and you care about how you look, then I want you to remember that. Now, another thing that you may be struggling with, and I know that I was struggling with this, is it's about when you're not seeing anyone, okay? So when I was going to the fitness studios, I was seeing a ton of people, okay? And now all of a sudden I'm in my room with the door closed. I'm not even seeing my family, right? So I understand that that's part of it. It's that thought of, well, why should I bother? I'm not seeing anyone. So it's this idea of what matters to you most and showing up for yourself, okay? Because here's what happens. I was doing my workout and I put on my fancy pants, right? The ones that I love with the bright colors and the fun patterns. And I have a mirror in my room. And then I caught a glimpse of myself in that outfit. And I saw myself and it just reminded me of who I was, right? I am that person. I like to wear fun prints and, you know, bold patterns. I like to wear that when I'm working out. So I saw myself in this reflection. It was like, oh, hello there, old friend. Right? It reminded me of who I am and what I love. Okay. So that's going to help you recover your style is if you get back into the clothes that you used to love and that you used to wear, and then you put them on. Okay. You're going to see yourself. It's going to remind you of who you were. Right. And when you see yourself looking like that and it reminds you, it might even bring a new sense of normalcy to what we're going through in these weird times, right? Because you're familiar with who you were and what you love. So when you see yourself looking like that, it could bring a sense of normalcy to these weird times, all right? So that's what I wanted to share with you about recovering your lost style, because I know that so many women are going through this, and what you have to do is you want to reconnect to your old pieces, the things that you were wearing a year ago that you love, and buy something new, right? Go celebrate yourself, showing up for yourself. Go buy yourself something that's going to make you happy. And then just remember why you're doing this. Remember your values, okay? It matters to you, showing up for yourself, right? And you care about how you look. So if you want some help with redefining your style so that it fits into your new lifestyle, then I can help you, okay? So let's get on a call and we're gonna look at what is going on with your personal style, where you're at, where you'd like to be, and I'm gonna share my expert insights on the best ways for you to get to that place so that you always feel confident in your clothes, all right? So I'm gonna just go ahead and pop this link in here so that you can book your call, all right? And I look forward to speaking to you. And that's it. Those are the 3 steps to recover your lost style. I will be back here next week with another live at 3. And I'm going to continue showing up every day, giving you prompts to think about your style. What I love, what I'm seeing right now in these daily prompts, when I really love it when you're looking at the pictures, I'm giving you questions. What do you love? I really love when you think about why you love these particular garments, why you love these particular outfits, because having a vocabulary and being able to articulate why you like something, that's really going to help you develop your own personal style. All right. So that's what I wanted to share today. Thanks so much for joining me here, and I will see you back here next week. All right. Have a great day. Bye.